Hello there, my tubers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, tuning in, warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. I'm sure you already know by the thumbnail what we're going to do a super short quick review about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump right into it. Okay, my lovelies, so today I want to talk about something that was gifted to me. It was part of my stocking stuffer that was gifted to me on Christmas, and you guys, I've already killed it. Christmas has only been a few weeks now past, maybe 2 weeks, maybe a week past, and I went through this stuff like a mad woman. Okay, products that I'm talking about today is the vitamin C sugar scrub and the vitamin C body butter. So we're going to talk about these two things on today. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the vitamin C shea sugar scrub. Now you guys, this is empty. I used this probably within a week and a half time. I really like this a lot. I've never used anything like this before, so it's just such a treat to have this in my stocking stuffer gifted to me. Without further ado, so this sugar scrub is by the brand Tree Hut, and this is the vitamin C shea sugar scrub. This is an 18 floral ounce, so you do get a lot of bang for your buck. Now typically it's a peachy pink type of color. You guys probably really can't tell because I really have I went ham. I used this all up. It's gone. It's nothing of it left at all. But the purpose of this is just to reveal brighter looking skin. This is probably better used. This particular one is probably, in my opinion, better used during the summer. But I was just so excited to get this. I could not wait. I wanted to use this right away. If any of you guys are wondering just a little bit about this product, this product does consist of vitamin C, or is made with vitamin C. It is also made with alpha hydroxy acid. Okay, this is for smooth, glowing skin. The purpose of this is to transform your hygiene routine into a full self-care ritual with Tree Hut skin and body care. So just a little bit about this exfoliator, you guys. It is an exfoliating body scrub which removes dull, dry skin to reveal glowing, soft, smooth skin. It deeply nourishes and balances skin's hydration to help restore skin's natural glow. It's vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, no formaldehyde donors, has a no-slip formula, and long-lasting fragrance. The scent, just so that you guys know, it is more on the citrusy side because it is made with vitamin C, you guys. It's a boost of bright citrus with a touch of floral and key notes of pink, grapefruit, jasmine, and peach nectar. You guys, the texture is just as what they said. It's an exfoliator. You can feel the sugar in it. You can truly just feel the scrub, the exfoliating, the beads, or whatever you want to call it. You can truly feel that. Now, when I did utilize this, I did utilize it a couple of times with my exfoliator gloves that I got as well in my stocking stuffer for Christmas, and I feel like it really just helped give me that spa-like experience, if that's something you're interested in. This is what it looks like after rinsing the products off. My hand feels soft. It smells notes grapefruit. It smells good to me. I really like it. It's like a summery scent, if that makes sense. So I like it a lot. It may not be for everyone. Again, I definitely recommend that you use this scrub during the summer because it just has that summery vibe to it. But you can use it all throughout the year. Also, if you're one of those girlies that like to do your own DIY petties and manis, or manis and petties, however, this will probably be great for giving yourself your own little spa situation for your hands and toes. Very, very, very good. Now, I did use this over my entire body. Now, just be mindful of your privates, y'all. Be mindful of your privates. Definitely don't apply it there, but arms and legs, feet, hands, plus. I truly, truly, truly enjoyed the scrub 1000%. Then after using the scrub, you guys, I did follow up with their body butter, and oh, you guys, it smells amazing. It's an 8.4 floral ounce. It doesn't smell as good as the scrub, but it does have that citrusy, orangey type smell to it. This is what the body butter look like, you guys. Now, one thing I love about this body butter, it's not like your typical average body butters where it can be very thick, and in some instances it can be very greasy. This is thick, as you guys can see. Here is what it looked like up close. And you guys, although it's thick, it's not super greasy, and I just feel like it melts down into the skin immediately. Easy. So as you guys can see, my hand clearly looks moisturized, but it's not that greasy look. And I really like that a lot. I typically like to apply this after showering, before bed, and I wake up in the morning and my skin is still super moisturized. It still feels really good. I love it. I highly recommend it. Now, if you're wondering where you can purchase this product from, I don't know where my gifter got this from because I'm just a gifty. So I'm not sure where she got it from, but I was able to look it up online, and I know that you can find it online on Amazon, and I think it roughly goes for $7, maybe $8 with taxes. Also, what I found was that Tree Hut has a variety of different scents here. If any of you guys are interested, of course you have your vitamin C, but they also have rainbow, purple, pop, pink, hibiscus, peach, sorbet, and it just kind of goes on and on and on. Now that I know that I do like this, I will probably try some of the other scents that they have. I see that they have watermelon, they have Blue Lagoon. I really want to try Blue Lagoon, so I may give those a go once I've used up all of this body butter. But yes, you guys, it is worth the purchase. In my personal opinion, I highly recommend it. If you are trying to do an ultimate stocking stuffer, this is great for women, for young teenage females. This would make for an absolute great stocking stuffer. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tools in the next one. Smooches.